Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are come to look at how to import image to serve as reference background in your viewport for you to start working with it. So without wasting much time, let's jump straight into today's tutorial. First of all, I will change the view to front view, or you can press the keyboard to switch to front view. Then after that, you press on Shift A, locate image on the pop-up menu, select reference, look for the folder where your image is located to be worked on. So this is mine. I'll press add empty image, and then this is my image that I'm coming to work with it in Blender. So first of all, let me scale it a bit, and you can see that when I move around the image in Blender, you can see that it's not distorted, it's straight. Yes, so let me switch back to the front view and then also zoom inside. All right, so you can work with this image like this, but if you want a professional guidelines, you come to the data option right here, select opacity, reduce it to any amount that you want. Me, I'll set mine to 0.5 and press enter, so that you see the grid lines or the guidelines to work with the image or your model perfectly. So this is how to import image in Blender. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share the video.